Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I'll tell you how to remove red eye from any image with or without Photoshop. It's going to be a quick but a really informative video. So let's just get right into it. So I've opened up this image in Photoshop and here we can clearly see there is a red eye problem right here. So how do we fix this? So first we have to go to the spot healing tool. It is like a bandage. I don't know how to describe it, but here it is. And then we'll right click on it because we'll not use it. We'll use the red eye tool. So if we go up here, like not go up here, but see here, we can see that we have pupil size in darken amount. So the default amounts are 50% and 50%, but mostly these amounts work, but sometimes they don't. So let's see if these work or not. So I'll just click, drag, and leave. And here you can see it clearly fixed it beautifully. And we can do this here too. So click, drag, leave, and it is fixed here too. So now we'll see how to remove red eye without using Photoshop. So it is literally the same process. So first we'll go to this tool, the spot healing tool, this bandage icon again, right click, and then go to the red eye tool. Now here there is some difference. We don't have any values, so we can't adjust anything. And instead of dragging and clicking, we have a brush. So to adjust the brush, we can use the left and right bracket keys. The right bracket increases the brush size and the left bracket decreases the brush size. So I'll adjust the size, and I guess this is right. And then we'll just click on it, and here you can see it is clearly fixed. We'll do the same on this eye. Click, and it is fixed. And this was it for this video. I know it was a short video, but it was quite informative. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn how to change any outfit's color without using Photoshop, that video is on the left. And if you want to learn how to remove any image's background without using Photoshop, that video is on the right. So now Brainy brothers are signing off. Bye bye, see you soon.